Greetings once again and welcome back to a new episode of Suffered and Cypher's channel. Today we have a SCUTOSAURUS video. Why? Because the Hammond Collection SCUTOSAURUS just arrived back like 2 days ago. I didn't have time to make a review. Got busy all the errands again. But anyways, we're here now and I have a custom paint SCUTOSAURUS here. My one of a kind. So this SCUTOSAURUS used to be this orange one right here. It has a clearance, that's why I bought another one and decided to do a repaint. And this is the very hard to find SCUTOSAURUS now. You can't buy this in stores anymore. And these things are very pricey now. So there's the DNA scan still on the feet. There you go. What's the... Oh yeah, you just move the tail. The mouth does not open up. No, it doesn't open up. But anyways... So right, this one, if you open it up, it'll be exactly like the orange one. So if you, right here, but I can't anymore because of the paint got hard already. So yeah, I painted the toes as well. Look at that, matching color with the lower jaw spikes, whatever you call that thing. Okay, so let's go to our main one now. Let's put it here. We have the Hammond Collection SCUTOSAURUS or SCUTOSAURUS. So I don't understand why they made a Hammond Collection SCUTOSAURUS, because my understanding is Hammond Collections are only dinosaurs or reptiles that appeared in the movies. But this SCUTOSAURUS never appeared in any Jurassic movies yet, or it has the Jurassic World logo. I might have missed it, but I doubt it if it's in that movie. So yeah, there you go. It looks really furious here. And I've heard that this is a herbivore. Okay guys, so let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Alright guys, you can see in the background the Monos Spindominus is out here because I'm going to show it to you guys again on a better light. We're outdoors now, so I can show you guys better. Alright, so here it is. Oh, so it has a really tiny tail. Alright guys, so let's bring him out. I thought this one will be a Target exclusive, but apparently it's on Amazon and Target doesn't have it yet. Okay, it looks amazing. Oh no, it's the head. How do I open this now? I don't want to damage it. Look at that, it's so tight over there. Oh gosh, this is so difficult. There you go. Come on, there you go. Alright, let's take it out. Put this aside. Now we put the tail, his tiny tail. Oh god. Oh boy. These ball joints are hard. Especially when you're outdoor, it's cold. There, I guess it went in. Okay, it did went in. So it has a marble eye, really nice. Or is it? No, I think they just painted the pupil right there. See? It is marble, but it's not inside the marble eye. So yeah, let's see if the mouth opens up. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's good. The lower jaw looks really nice. Look at that. Alright. So let's compare to the original SCUTOSAURUS. So the original seems to be a little bigger or beefier. Yeah, I think it's bigger. Let's fix the neck. How many articulation this thing has? Okay. Wait, what? Okay. Okay. It's a really nice piece, guys. Should get one. There's the Jurassic logo right there. Really nice. Nice shell casing there. Okay. This is a really nice collection. I love it. Nice color. Now let's compare to the face. Oh, it seems the original has a bigger face as well. And the spikes are a little different now. Look at that, huh? Has only 4 over here on top, but this one has like 3. So this one has more compared to the Hammond Collection. So I don't know who's more accurate though. This one looks like it's really has a it's like smiling. But anyways, so this thing is also a repaint, so it'll be the same. More spikes for this, guys. Alright, so yeah. But of course, when it comes to Hammond Collection, it is mostly accurate, right? So maybe this is the accurate one over this. Okay, so let's go to the Monospin Dominus. I'm going to show it to you guys again. So I put on the batteries. It still works. I went inside in the basement. The lights still work. The green, it's still glowing green. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, better lighting here. Okay, so this one's right here. I added this. These are clay. Okay, right here in the back as well. Came from the Monolophosaurus. Alright, guys. Like I said, the paint was inspired from Beast of the Mesozoic Tarbosaurus. There you go. Okay. So push the button there. So yeah. Alright, guys. Now I'm gonna go and work for my new hybrid again. I'm not sure if it could be an Apex or a unique hybrid. But anyways, you guys have a great day. And we'll see you again the next few days, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good one. And also don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Click the bell button, okay? Thank you. See you around.